Hello everyone and thanks for tuning back in. Alessandro the Crypto here. I hope you're doing all fine. So welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna analyze as usual the Bitcoin price, and we're also gonna have a look on Ethereum, because on Ethereum we have a nice breakout to the upside. In yesterday's video we covered that Ethereum was in a consolidation wedge and we had the breakout now, my friends. So we're gonna have a look on that. And before we start, I have a big security announcement for our Discord trading chat. So if you want to become a member in our Discord trading chat, it's completely for free and everyone is welcome. Then go down below here in the video description and click here on this Discord invitation link. Like this you can get access to our great crypto family over on Discord. And we have this new feature going on right now where you can just easily go here where it says read first, and then you click here on this thumbs up button. Like this we can prevent that bots and scammers are entering into our chat, because recently we had a lot of new bot attacks, and like this we can get more security and also prevent such attacks in our great crypto trading chat. So if you want to join it, make sure that you click here on the link and then go here where it says read first and click the thumbs up button. This is not only for new users, this is also needed for everyone that is already member in our crypto family over on Discord. Everyone has to go right now over to read first and then click here on thumbs up in order to be able again to read the chat and of course also send messages. All right, my friends, this was the very important news for our great cryptocurrency trading chat over on Discord, and this is also the place where you can get access to my live stream indicator, which is giving you buy and sell signals for Bitcoin for a little donation, of course. And now we can start with the content, my friends, because let's go over quickly into the Ethereum chart. Let's start with Ethereum, because as you can see, we had yesterday these consolidation wedge that were coming almost to an end, and I told you that most likely we're gonna see first a breakout in the Ethereum chart before we're gonna see that in the Bitcoin chart, and that could lead us where also Bitcoin could be breaking out. So Ethereum currently, here you can see the 1 hour time frame, had this breakout to the upside, and as you can see in the 1 hour we also came down to confirm the new support currently at around $1,300, and we are seeing this continuation now to the upside. So the pump is still ongoing, and it is still not too late if you want to FOMO into a long position, because the target of this breakout in theory is at around $1,700. And since right now we are touching the all-time high of Ethereum at around $1,400, I think as soon as we're gonna break it, we're gonna shoot straight up here towards $1,500 to $1,700, and there we're gonna see what will happen. Because if Ethereum is able to consolidate here at this $1,500 to $1,700 area, same like Bitcoin right now is also consolidating between 30 to 40,000, then I think we could see also here Ethereum keeping up with this high price level, and maybe we're not gonna see any bigger correction anytime soon. So let's wait and see what will happen here in the Ethereum price. It looks like that we will see continuation to the upside, and that could be a leading indicator for where Bitcoin is gonna head to next. Because if we switch now over into the Bitcoin price, you can see that currently we are still consolidating here within this wedge, and we have to break out also here pretty soon. And if Ethereum is the leading indicator, then we should expect here a breakout to the upside, my friends. Of course, there are still some warning signs also here in the lower time frame. It looks like that we are forming here a potential rising wedge. If we go over into the 1 hour time frame, you can see this clear resistance that we have here and this potential support down here. So if we would connect here just the tops, this would give us kind of a rising wedge that usually breaks out to the downside. But since recently we are ignoring always bearish patterns, I think we still have a big chance here to break out to the upside. And as soon as we're gonna take out this resistance that we have currently at around $38,300, I think also here we're gonna see a big breakout to the upside, which will, in my opinion, will also take out here this $42,000 all-time high that we had so far in the Bitcoin price. All right, so let's go back to the 4-hour time frame, and yeah, let's have a look on the moving averages, because currently we're still trading above all the moving averages, which of course is good. And even if we would break out here to the downside, you can see that the 200 moving average right now is coming up here at around $31,000. And even if we would come down here to test this important moving average, basically nothing would change here on our structure to the upside. We could still recover from it if we're gonna see a little crash here towards this moving average. So the 4-hour is still looking great. The only problem is that, as you can see here in the Bollinger Bands, we are squeezing in this tiny channel, and also stochastic right now is in overbought condition. So a possible pullback is still in the cards here, my friends, even though we're seeing a breakout in the Ethereum price. So if you think that Bitcoin will for sure break out here to the upside, same like Ethereum, then start already now to open up a small long position. But if you want to trade on with the safe way, then wait for the breakout and then the confirmation of this new support, same as Ethereum did. So if you're seeing in the 1-hour or 4-hour time frame the price breaking out to the upside and then comes back down to retest the new support that in theory we would have then at around $38,800, then this is the moment where you can trade this over on Bybit and Phoenix with a nice long position, because if the prices then continues to breaking to the upside, you can do some really huge gains, my friends. And now let's go over into the daily time frame, because this is, in my opinion, currently the most important time frame, since we are now still trading between the 20 and 9 daily moving average. At the moment we are trading above the 9 daily moving average, which currently is lining up at $36,300. So if we are able to break out here to the upside and also continues to close now daily candles above the 9 daily moving average, then I think this downtrend is denied and we're gonna head higher here. Only if today or in the next couple of days we're gonna continue to close daily candles below these important moving averages here, right between the 20 and 9 daily moving average, then I'm afraid that we could see this possible big dump and big correction that we are waiting now for so long. But if Bitcoin is able to recover here and gonna pump same as we're seeing right now in Ethereum, then I think this is denied and we will see continuation towards higher levels. And keep in mind that the next Fibonacci extension level in the log scale is at $63,000. So if we are able to go towards 50k, I'm pretty confident that all the 63,000 will be reached very soon. And in the daily we are still trading above the 50 level in the RSI, which of course is very bullish, and this is what we want to see during an uptrend. And if now we have a look also into the Bollinger Bands, you can see that currently we're trading right in the middle line, so we are in a very critical point. And since we are seeing now this Ethereum pump and also the stochastic now is completely oversold, we have a very good chance now to have a big bounce from the middle line here in the Bollinger Bands, because so far we never came below the middle line since we're starting to go completely parabolic. So right now there is a very high chance that we could see here this big push to the upside. Only if we are really starting to close daily candles below the 20 daily moving average, so below $36,000, then I'm afraid that we could see the price going again towards 30k, where also the 200 moving average in the 4-hour currently is lining up. So it is possible that we're gonna see 31 to 30k before we're gonna break out here to the upside. But since Ethereum is looking so bullish and already had this pump, same like we have seen also on Chainlink a couple of days ago, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna have some very huge buy pressure in the Bitcoin price. Because remember that a lot of traders that are making gains right now with Chainlink and Ethereum, they're gonna for sure take some profits out into Bitcoin. So they most likely will not just cash out in fiat, but these profits that they are doing right now, they're most likely gonna convert it back into Bitcoin. So if all these people that are sitting right now in huge gains in Ethereum and also in Chainlink are starting to convert and take profits in Bitcoin, and also in Bitcoin we're gonna see some buy pressure coming in, we could see the price go straight towards $50,000 or $60,000. And we can also have a look into the Bitcoin dominance, because currently we are falling off the cliff. This is what I was also expecting here, since Ethereum and Chainlink was pumping like crazy. We also had some other altcoins that were performing pretty well, but currently Ethereum and Chainlink is where the show is. Currently they are outperforming really everything. Of course, there are also some little projects that are outperforming Ethereum and Chainlink, but I'm talking about the top coiners that are pumping like crazy right now. So sometimes you see when Bitcoin is just trading sideways and getting boring, you can still go over to Ethereum or Chainlink or any other altcoins and trade it over on Bybit and FOREX, because also here you can trade with altcoins, and otherwise you can also do some flip tradings where you can switch some Bitcoins to some altcoins and then back once you're in profits. And this is what you can do over on Binance. So if you want a Bybit, FOREX or Binance account, go down below here and use my referral links. You will get some extra cash if you use my invitation links down below here, because those are the exchanges that you need in order to maximize your gains, my friends, wherever the price is going. So since the Bitcoin dominance currently is falling down, I'm expecting here complete retracement back down towards the main support here at around 60%. After we broke out from this important resistance here, you can see that the Bitcoin dominance is again falling within this descending broadening wedge that we had previously here. And I'm pretty confident that if we're going to see continuation to the downside, we will move towards the 200 daily moving average here at around 62%, and then maybe also test here the main support that we had previously. So what we're seeing right now, my friends, is a little altcoin season. That of course is very good for all the altcoin hodlers, but make sure that if you are sitting in huge profits in altcoins, to switch some of them back into Bitcoin, because for the long term, Bitcoin for sure will outperform everything, and everyone now is waiting for Bitcoin to do the next move. And since we are seeing some altcoins pumping like crazy right now, I'm pretty confident that we're gonna see this also here next in the Bitcoin price. At least right now, everything is more pointing out that we're gonna see here a breakout to the upside. But if you want to trade the safe way, then maybe wait first for the breakout and confirmation before entering a trade or before buying more Bitcoin. And before we're gonna wrap this up, my friends, we're gonna have a look into the DXY, because the DXY currently is the only danger for all the altcoins and also for the Bitcoin price, because if the DXY continues to pump here towards the 100 daily and 200 daily moving average, then this could be really dangerous for the Bitcoin price and overall also for the altcoins. But right now, at the time of recording, we are seeing a possible pullback here towards the 200 moving average again in the 4 hour. Let's see if we can confirm it as a support or not. If the DXY is falling again below the 200 moving average in the 4 hour, so below $90, I'm pretty confident that this was a fake out and the DXY will continue to plunge into the ABs. And of course, that will be very bullish for the crypto space, because in that case, we should expect the price to continue to go higher and higher. But if here we're going to create a bottom and a support at the 200 moving average and then bounce from it and also create a higher high, so if we're going to take out this $91 over here, then I'm pretty confident that the DXY is looking more bullish than bearish, and we could expect here a possible pump towards the 100 and 200 daily moving average, so between $92 and $94, and that could lead into a massive correction also in the crypto space. Because usually when the DXY is pumping, we are seeing exactly the opposite in the crypto space, where we're gonna have a bigger correction. But keep in mind that even if the DXY is gonna push towards this important resistance area up here, because previously it acted as a support and now it should be acting as a new resistance. If we're coming that high here, I'm expecting a big rejection up here, and then of course the DXY will continue to fall off the cliffs here, and in the Bitcoin price and overall also in the altcoins, we're gonna continue to pump like crazy. So if this scenario is happening, that the DXY is able to go to this region up here and we are seeing a correction in the Bitcoin price, then make sure that you're able to buy as much as possible, because this is just the beginning of the bull run, my friends. So try to accumulate as much as possible, and also be ready to make some nice long trades over on Bybit or FOREX, wherever you're trading. And if you don't feel too comfortable in trading yourself, then maybe of course try try out our Discord trading chat, where we have very often some nice trading signals. And of course here you can also get access to my own indicator live stream. And next to that, of course, you can use Prime XPT, because on Prime XPT you have a co-vesting feature where you can easily just copy trade other traders. And like this, you can just top up some Bitcoin over there, click on follow on the trader that you would like to follow. And like this, you can also earn some passive money and do some nice gains if you catch the right traders. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. Make sure to be subscribed here on this channel. I do daily TA videos, and also leave a like on every video. I very much appreciate that. I really appreciate your support, my friends. We have a very great crypto family. And also check out all the links that you find down below here, especially if you are new in the crypto space, because those are the recommended exchanges and links where you can get some free cryptos and also sign up completely for free. And of course, you always get some extra cash if you use an invitation link. So make sure to use my links down below here. For example, if you need a Coinbase account, a Binance account, or Swissborg account, where you can easily buy cryptos with your credit card or with your bank account. So check them out. I'm sure that some of them are very helpful for you. So thank you very much for watching, my friends, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye.